Very good morning, dear students. I am your GK teacher from Premchand Memorial Public School. Students, today I will teach you chapter number 9 from your GK textbook. So first of all, take out your GK textbook and come on page number 15. Chapter 9, I Love My India. Students, everybody loves own country. We all are Indians, so we love our country. In this chapter, we will know about Indian national symbols. Okay? First of all, I will tell you what you have to do and how you have to do. Identify the national symbols of India. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. सबसे पहले आपको इंडियन सिंबल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करके ब्लैंक को फिल करना है. ओके. फर्स्ट इज अवर नेशनल एनिमल इज द डैश. ऑप्शन ए लॉयन, ऑप्शन बी टाइगर, ऑप्शन सी एलिफेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? यस, tiger. Okay, we will write the spelling of tiger. Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Okay. Second is our national flower is the dash. Option A lotus, option B lily, ऑप्शन सी रोज. हमारा राष्ट्रीय फूल कौन सा है बच्चों? यस, लोटस इज अवर नेशनल फ्लावर. वी विल राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ लोटस फ्लावर. LOTUS, लोटस. ओके. थर्ड इज अवर नेशनल बर्ड इज द डैश. Option A crow, option B parrot, option C peacock. Do you know what is our national bird? Yes, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. We will write the spelling of peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Okay. Fourth is our national fruit is the dash. Option A orange, option B mango, option C guava. Students, हमारा राष्ट्रीय फल क्या है बच्चों? Yes, mango. Mango is our national fruit. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Fifth is our national tree is the dash. Option A neem tree, option B coconut tree, option C banyan tree. Yes, this is the right option. Banyan tree is our national tree. We will write the spelling of banyan tree. B-A-N-A-Y-N. Banyan. Sixth is our national emblem is dash. Option A the Ashok Chakra, option B Chakra, option C the lion capital. Correct option is option A the Ashok Chakra. We will write the spelling of Ashok Chakra. A-S-H-O-K-A, Ashoka Chakra. C-H-A-K-R-A. Okay, students? These are our national symbols. Okay? Peacock, lotus, tiger, mango, banyan tree and the Ashok Chakra. Okay students, I hope you understood today's class. If you have any query regarding this chapter, you can ask to me very freely. Okay? Thank you.